You're laying there in bed. You look up at the clock at the top bit of your phone. It's 3 a.m. You've been scrolling for 4.5 hours. You're meant to just check your phone, check that email real quick, then you're gonna head off to bed. But next thing you know, you're in bed scrolling for hours and hours and hours at a time. Your eyes bloodshot because you haven't blinked in a half an hour. Your brain feels like fog. You're you just subjected yourself, your brain, to a million different places, a million different ideas. Your brain's just flowing with like 1,000 different chemicals from the fact that you just watched someone die, the fact that you just watched someone give birth, the fact that you just watched all of creation in the span of 4 hours. And life feels completely unmotivating. You're looking at your phone, right? You're looking. I don't have a phone. It's gone. You're looking at your phone, right? And you put it down and you look up, just sitting there, just what's the point of it all? What's the fucking point of it all? Sitting there, no desire to do anything, no desire to even get up and take a shit. You're just sitting there. You don't want to do that project you've been thinking about, for dreaming about for years. You don't have the willpower to even start the first step. And you're like, it's okay. I'll just do it tomorrow. I'll just start tomorrow. Next thing you know, tomorrow rolls around and you do the exact same thing. You whip up your phone and you're off to the races scrolling. You want to make change, but it never fucking happens. You just sit there in bed, whip up the phone, start scrolling. So, if that sounds relatable, then I have a little something for you right now. A little something for you. You have these creators, right? These YouTube creators, people that make shit. You have like Michael Reeves, Adam Savage, you know, uh, uh, Tom Scott. I guess that's kind of different area. You know, there's so many of them, right? There's so many. You look at all these people doing all these crazy things, and it's so inspiring. You want to do it. But next thing you know, you're just sitting there scrolling. Next thing you know, you're sitting there and you're just scrolling, instead you're watching them do it instead of you doing it, you know? And years go by. I remember in 2020, I wanted so badly to just become a Michael Reeves. It was everything I fucking dreamed of. But year after year, scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, it made me feel good in the moment. It made me feel like I was doing something, because I was watching other people do it. I'm like, oh, I'm getting inspiration. It was infinitely easier watching them doing it instead of me actually doing it. Going through the troubles of sitting there and having shit fucking not work for the millionth time. And you don't know why the goddamn code won't code. You don't know why the CAD won't CAD. You don't know why the printer won't print. Instead, you just watch other people go through it for years. So, if this channel is anything, and you just clicked on it because you thought the thumbnail looked nice, I want it to be here for you right now, in this moment. I need you, whether it's middle of the fucking night, whether it's, you know, you're in your lunch break, or you just woke up. I need you to write down the first step you need to take to starting that goal, that dream, that thing that you've been thinking about. For me, it's building a rocket, a literal fucking rocket. That's the goal, right? Okay, how do you make a rocket? You need money. Well, how do you get money? You need a business. How do you make a business? You find a way for people to give you money. Well, how do you find a way for people to give you money? You give them a product. How do you make a product? You design it. How do I design it? You learn some software. How do I learn the software? Well, you probably first install it. So, through all these steps, in order to build a rocket, it starts out with installing CAD, installing Fusion 360, Blender, whatever the fuck it is. That's my goal. That's my next step right now. So, if you're following along, you thought the thumbnail looked really cool, you thought the idea was interesting, what I need you to do is write down really quickly the first step, the very first step that you need to do in order to accomplish your dreams. Write it on a big piece of paper. It's like this, right? Write it on a big piece of paper, and then when you wake up in the morning, I need you to put it in a spot that you will not forget it. You need to go over here to your door. Right here. So that you do not forget the one mission for tomorrow, the one goal, the reason why you're breathing tomorrow is to do that. That's it. So if you feel like you need to go to bed right now, stop watching the stream or video, depending on when you're watching it, and go do that right now. Go either do this, whatever the hell it is, or go to bed. One of those two things. If you feel like you might need a reminder for tomorrow to continue doing that, consider following or subscribing, whatever the hell it may be. Because we're going to be doing a lot of this type of stuff where it's just locking in and learning a shit ton of stuff. Okay. We believe in you, big man. And you got this. Take that first step. It's the most uncomfortable step. It sucks, but take it. Now, for the non-video watchers, now for the live stream people, it's time for me to lock the fuck in and install Fusion 360 because we have a CNC machine that's coming, and I want to build a rocket engine. So, yeah, that's kind of required. Yeah. Thank you, boys, for listening to that rant. Okay, let's see. What is up, Bolt, dude? What is up, though? Oh, my fucking boy. My fucking boy. Hey, it's nice seeing you too. It's nice seeing you too. Dude. We are always locked in. Said well. Okay, so boys, as you probably know, there is a mission. We have a mission today. We have a CNC machine that's on the way. Okay? And what is that? What is a CNC machine? Basically makes metal parts. Okay? It makes metal parts. And but they take step files and other things that, like, you know what I mean? Like, basically, I don't know how to make the 3D model that goes into a CNC machine. So that's what we're going to learn today, right now. Yes. All right, boys. Well, it is time to lock the fuck in. Let's get to learning CAD. I'm thinking Fusion 360 because Blender, fortunately, is not. It isn't too. What's the word? You know what I mean? It's a little difficult. Or at least for making a step file. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Like this. Let's go like this. Oh, don't worry. We're going to be doing another programming live stream very shortly. We just had to get a lot of shit figured out. A lot of shit. Okay. And then one of the things is this hoodie right here, the Stay Focused hoodie. We needed to get that shit figured out. We have the store. The store is available. International shipping, or most places on the planet, I suppose. But yeah. Stay Focused hoodie. There's also, like, just shirts and regular ass stickers. I don't have the sticker. I do have a sticker here. You know, it's just real simple because you can't build a rocket without making money. Okay. So this is, if you have spare change in your pocket, that is what that is for. But I appreciate the both of you so much. You guys have been here forever. You guys just being here, that is plenty to me. No fucking way. What the fuck is up, my guy? It's been a while. You know that? It's been a minute. I missed you. You know that? I missed you. I hope you're having a swell fucking time. All of you guys. I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you for being here. You know, I don't I have hoodies if you want them. I have shirts if you want them. I have stickers if you want them. You don't have to fucking, you know what I mean? You guys just being here, it means the fucking world to me. Okay. Let's lock the fuck in, yeah? Let's lock the fuck in. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Okay, our goal right now is to install Fusion 360. And I think that requires any desk or something. Let's see. Hope you have a sweet day too. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Unfortunately, I still have to go to work, my day job today, but because I gotta be here with you guys, all's okay. Okay. Actually, we're gonna just type this in. Or Fusion 360. Autodesk. Download. We'll just go like this. PCB, Autodesk. Let's go with that. Let's make this bigger. Just like this. Let's see. I was going to sleep, but got a. Hey, Bolt. If you have a project you need to be working on, go work on that project. But because it is so late for you, I know it's late for you. I know it's late as fuck. Go to bed. You being here means the fucking world to me. It means the fucking world. As well, to append onto that statement, you being here requires you to have sleep, adequate sleep. So that means go to bed. I appreciate you being here though. We could use free CAD, but unfortunately, Fusion 360 has tool paths. It does tool paths for the CNC machine. So it's better. It's better. It's actually, that's the only reason why we want to. Okay, how do we do this? Oh, you cannot see it. Okay. I'll make this slightly bit more zoomed in. Okay. Let's figure out, boys, how do we do that? How the fuck do we do this? How can we have those lock-in shirts? First link in the description, big man. At least I think. Let me double check. What just happened? At least I think it is. W. Absolutely W, dude. Absolutely W. Hey, but dude, if you do need to go to bed, go to bed. Sleep is one of them things that if you have enough of it, you're good. Okay. No, I do not want this. I want products. Product design, manufacturing, professional CAD. That looks like it's still around on the right thing, kinda. Save on tools. Try. Okay, where's Fusion 360 download? Fusion 360 download. Fusion for personal use. There we go. There we go. Start free trial. Fusion for personal use. Sure, it's personal. Sure. Of course, I'm not going to be taking whatever the hell it is I'm milling on my CNC machine and then selling it internationally. Of course not. I would never do that. Never do such a thing. Of course, it's personal use. Personally for my business, but, you know. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go like this. There we go. Hopefully you cannot see my email, but I don't think it matters. I think all of you, if you wanted it, would have my email by now. Okay. We couldn't find an account associated. Well then fucking create an account, obviously. Jesus Christ. Sending a code to email. Okay, let's go like this. Let's go like this. You guys get to see all my personal emails now. Well, yeah, it's not here. Okay. Microsoft, Domino's, social. I don't care, Microsoft. Maybe it's a spam. Powderhorn, Coinbase. Of course, Coinbase. Did I enter the right thing? Oh, well, there's my email if you fucking wanted it. There's my email if you wanted it, by the way. Oh. It's because it's the wrong fucking email. Well, okay. Wait, this account already exists? I'm gonna have a fucking aneurysm, dude. Password? You think I know my password? I'm going to sell it to the Coinbase community. W idea. Okay, we are to guess. We are to guesstimate our password. I'm sorry, I can't. This is like the part where you guys can't see it. Well, I forgot my password. Let's reset my password. There we are. Yep. I'm gonna quickly just make it really big because we're doing resettings of passwords here, and I feel like that would be unideal to for you guys to have. But who knows? Who knows? Yeah, forget password. Yeah. All right, new password. That's 8. No, I'm gonna choose my own. Oh my god. Okay. Well, dear Lord. Okay. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. Okay, we're chilling. Yes. Okay. Bam. We're gonna go like this. Bam. Wonderful. I'm gonna write that shit down because well, you know, you know. This I'm gonna do a pen so that it's less visible on stream. Sorry, my voice. Just give me a moment. Okay. CAD pass. Okay. Bussin'. Absolutely bussin'. Share can't. Yes. Um. Um. What? What? Okay. Give me a moment, boys. Just like this. Trust this device. Yes. I'll have to sign in again in 30 days. That's gay. Steps 1. Okay. Please enter a valid. Sorry, boys. Give me a moment. Work phone? I don't have a fucking phone, okay? I swear to God, if this thing tells me right now that I have to fucking enter a phone, because I don't have a phone. It's gone. I don't have one. Zip code? I don't know. Why do I... Dear God. Okay, let's just give it my dick size real quick. Okay. What is your primary use for Fusion 360? Porn. 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 Okay. What is your industry? Porn. Porn. I agree to Autodesk terms and services. God damn it. Well, porn is not an option. Manufacturing. Sure. Let's go like this. Porn was not an option, my boys. Download Fusion for personal. Download now. Wow, they made that easy. Okay, I think you guys can see now. Sorry for the long wait. Okay, let's go like this. Such a nice camera. I like this. Okay, we're gonna like this. Hopefully you can see it. Download. I don't know what the fuck just downloaded, but hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully it's not crazy. Okay, let's go like this. Watch video series. What? Oh no. I'm gonna have to download AnyDesk and all that other shit. Okay, well, let's just get it going. Let's just get it going now. Okay. You guys like the background? It's AI as fuck. AI AF. Oh, setting up. Okay. I don't think we need music right now. I don't think so. Okay, let's do this. Let's do like this. There we go. We are chilling. Okay, we are absolutely bussing. Like this. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. See, this is what we want to make. Whatever that was. Whatever that thingamajig. Oh, this is a wizard. We can't touch it for some reason. Okay, that's what we want to make. Okay. If you boys are here and you are watching this instead of locking in, my friends, I know it's nice. It's nice being doing other stuff than locking in, but go lock in. Get off the stream and go lock in, or go to bed. Either or. But only watch this if you truly have the extra free time. That's it. That's the only excuse you have to watch this stream, is if you have abundance of free time. Okay. If not, go to bed or lock in. Okay. I have time for my bro. That means a lot. That means a lot. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Thanks to both of you, bro. The both of you. I love you boys so much. Oh, it's crazy. It's almost nostalgic looking at your guys' freaking profile pics. It's nostalgic. Oh, shit's happening. This. Interesting. What is this? Maybe I'll go like this. Oh, sign in. Make sure you guys don't see that. Make sure you guys don't see that. Open. Wait, you can start working in the product now. Okay. Open Autodesk Identity Manager. Autodesk Identity Manager? Wait, time mismatch with user. Your computer does not match the time of Fusion 3's server time. Your time is... Follow this support to verify your operating system time settings. This... Dear God. Okay. Well, see, this is the wonderful thing about working with Fusion 360, is instead of working or getting shit done, we have to fucking sync our operating system's time to Fusion 360 server time. Isn't learning CAD just a fucking greatest? Thank you, AnyDesk. AnyDesk? I don't know. Thank you, AnyDesk, for this extraordinary feat of engineering. Okay. Jesus. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to settings. Dear God. Dear God. Okay. Time and language. The time zone. Set time zone. Yes. Set time. Same thing. I think that's good. Time zone changed. That kind of is right. Let's see. What? Let's do this. What time is it in Utah? Oh, that's right. Okay, let's see if that shit works. Did this shit make a shortcut? It did. Okay. Made a shortcut. Let's try that one more time. Shall we? Let's try that. Let's try that one more time. Let's try that one more time. Fusion 360. Was my time wrong before? Who fucking knows at this point? It's Fusion 360. It's AnyDesk. We expect nothing but the greatest from them. What's hap? What is this? No thanks. Oh, is this an AI agent? Dear God. Go to history. Got it. Don't show again. Got it. What is this? Okay. There is nothing here yet. To get started, create an open document. I think that's what we're gonna. What is this? What am I looking at? Okay, what's the goal? Okay. Home. Fusion is a home similar to it's gonna locate where you have access to the audio those processes here to network. Okay. In the application bar, click the home. Home. Okay. Home. That's an option. Home. You can't really see that. Okay, let's go like this. Okay. Let's go home. We're doing okay. First step done. What is this? Okay. And then two. What's two? Invite member. No. Oh, how about let's just click new maybe? Let's try this. I can't hear anything. Can you guys? Oh, maybe we have to go to fucking youtube.com. Desktop audio? Okay. Yo, you're new here? I am new here as well. Quite literally.
Intent-driven design.
Hope you're having a good time, my boy. I hope you're having a great time. I hope that you, instead of scrolling, go walk in on your project, my guy. Okay? All right? That's what I hope that you do. Okay? I really do. I really do.
Workflows. Now, Fusion has always been about flexibility and innovation, combining design, engineering, and manufacturing in one platform. But we've also heard from many of you, especially those of you coming from traditional CAD tools, that while Fusion's integrated approach is powerful, it can feel a bit too unfamiliar. This update isn't about changing what makes Fusion great. It's about giving you more flexibility and options to design in ways that make the most sense to you. Now, we've always had the ability to work with structured assemblies, but it wasn't the default and it wasn't as accessible. Now, we're making that workflow easier to use.
We have a delightful comment. Okay, a new individual here. I quick little rant. I know we used to get sidetracked all the time. We're gonna slow down the sidetracks, but big man or woman, I don't know, but whomever you are, it's really easy to watch other people lock in instead of locking in yourself. That was me, right? I'd always just scroll endlessly. My attention span was actually cooked. Okay, actually cooked. I mean, genuinely like diagnosed with ADHD cooked. Okay. Grab yourself one of these. If it's not late, if it's late, go to bed. But if it's a nice, it's your weekend, grab yourself one of these, my big man. Go do that. Go start the first step in whatever your goal is. Okay. Go start, choose the first step. That's all you got to do, my big man. All right. And just do the first bit. That's it. Don't watch me. Okay. Stop watching the stream and go do that right now. Get off your phone. Go do that. Okay. Hey, and if you'd like, consider subscribing on your way out. That would mean a lot to me. But if you're going to stay and watch, that also mean a lot to me as well. But you got this, bro. You got this. Mission accomplished, my boys. Hey, I hope you have a good one, my boy. I hope you have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate you. Okay, let's continue. Sorry, a little sidetrack. Sometimes, boys, we got to get a little sidetrack for our homies in chat. You know what I'm saying? We have to. It's what we got to do. All right.
use so you can get started on the right path from the very beginning. By letting you pick how you want to start your design, we are making it more welcoming to those of you who are new to Fusion, and also more versatile to those.
Okay, that is a lie to every degree. It is not versatile. It is not welcoming. Okay, how do we just start a new project? That's all they want to do. Okay, we're gonna go like, what is this? Electronics. That's cool. Hybrid design, assembly design, part design. Our goal for today. Okay, how about this? We're gonna do a quick little
work your way without.
Scared the shit out of me. Holy shit! I've never jumped that hard in a while.
Those of you are ready.
Okay, here's our goal. We have a CNC machine coming soon, but we don't know how to send a step file to it. Step file is like a STL file, but with more instructions. Okay. Our goal is to create a step file right now, today, by the end of this hour in Fusion 360, the software we're about to learn, send it over to our 3D printer that's in a corner. You can't see it, but there's a 3D printer that way, and have a functioning part by the end of the stream in about an hour, 2 hours, about that. That's our goal. Lock in, make a part, and have a functioning thing by the end of this. This is our goal. This is our only goal for this stream. And also, of course, to get people like our boy right here locked the hell in, okay? Okay. Lock in. All right. I don't think we need this. I don't think he's too useful. Not useful. I just probably gave you very, very crucial information that I probably shouldn't have. You live, you learn. Okay, create new. Seems right. We're getting somewhere. What the fuck is all this? Okay. About your Fusion documents. Your Fusion personal offerings entitle you to 10 editable Fusion documents and on. God, this font is microscopic. Okay, one sec. Editable Fusion documents and unlimited read-only documents. Okay, that makes sense. If you are already using Fusion, your Fusion documents are now read-only. There's no manage which documents are editable and which are read-only in data panel. Okay. Okay. Okay, for sure. Read-only. Sure. Okay, this makes sense. A little bit, enough. I've been able to stop my bad habits, and I am now on any social media. I don't play. I'm assuming play. I don't play games. My sleep cycle is doomed. Sir Bolt, you are a silly man. A very silly man. Dude. It sounds like it's going like the comments like really good, but then all of a sudden my sleep cycle is doomed. Like you're wait, so okay, I'm gonna read that one more time. I've been able to stop my bad habits. That's amazing, right? That's amazing. I'm not on any social media. That's the best fucking part. That's amazing, right? I'm assuming you say play games, like video games. You don't spend a bunch of hours on games. My sleep cycle is doomed. Well, I hope that it isn't doomed. Maybe I'm just misinterpreting that. That potentially that could be the what's popping there. But dude, I'm glad that your sleep sky well, I'm glad that you are fixing your habits. That is amazing. Okay, let's do this. How the fuck do we do this? Okay, I'm so lost. Oh, this is we're in. Shit, I didn't even realize we're in Fusion 360 right now. Like we're in the editor. How do I move? What's up, big man? How you been? Huh? How you been, Fracture? How have you been? I hear that you have been recently moving. All the OGs are coming in all at once. All the OGs are coming in. What is up, my boys, dude? I miss you boys so much. Fracture, I seen that you've been moving. I'm actually gonna be moving too, because as you know, we're getting a CNC machine. We have 3D printers. We're gonna start printing shit out the wazoo. So it's like I need another place. I need another casa because my neighbors downstairs are gonna be annoyed to shit. So yeah, I'm gonna be moving as well. I hear that you're moving. I'm gonna be moving as well. Oh, that's how we do that. Whoa, this is cool. Dude, Fracture, I hope you're doing absolutely fucking swell. It is so nice seeing you. Let me tell you, it is so nice seeing you. I remember the first time I saw your fucking profile, dude. Oh, it is nice seeing you. It's very nice seeing you. Okay. Okay. Once again, goal. We are to make a simple part. We're to send it over to the 3D printer, and we're to get it printing very soon. That is our only goal right now. Okay, let's lock in. What what should I make? Chess piece. Let's make a pawn. Let's make a pawn. Okay, what is this? Extrude. Well, we don't have anything to extrude yet. Delete. Well. How the fuck do I do it? Yes. I'm looking forward to that, Fracture. I'm looking forward to when you're able to join so much more. Because you being here, it's the best, dude. It's so fun. It's so fun you being here. Box. We're gonna add a box. What am I looking at? What am I doing? How do I do this? Where's the box? This is a plane, no? What are we looking at? Fuck. Oh, I kind of see what we're doing. Well, shit. We have something, guys. This is our first Fusion 360 thing. Let's see. Fracture, you are just the best. You were the culmination of masculinity, okay, and just sheer aura, okay. I hope you have a good rest of your day, Fracture. Sincerely, I hope you do. Thank you for stopping by. We all appreciate you very, very, very much. So thank you for stopping by. You have a good one, all right? You have a very good one. What the fuck are we looking at here? Yep. I said box, no? I said box. Create, let's see, maybe it's bevel. Okay. Fuck. Alright. Side, height, face, width, length, face length. No, not quite. Okay, not quite. Not quite. Symmetry, mirror. None. We're gonna press OK on that. Okay. How do I? Is it Alt? Oh, we did it. It's Shift and this. Okay. Well, this is not a pawn, as one could probably clearly tell. What the fuck are we looking at right here? How do I get this to be a box? I want a box. This is it. This is it. I just want a box. What if we were to press extrude? What? Design. Shit. Fuck. Recent. Fuck me. My fusion. Let's see. How do we do this? Well, uh, uh, dude, no, it's way too complicated. I mean, this is the first time we've ever stepped into. This is the first time we've ever stepped into Fusion 360, so there is that aspect of things. Well, we didn't have much anyway, so that's okay. We're starting over. Rectangular pattern. We just want to add a fucking. Okay, so add. There's a plus thing right here. Okay, add. Mesh. We need a mesh. I think that's what it is. We need a mesh because we're trying to make a pond to 3D print. Um. Um. Uh. Face. I like that. What if cancel? There we go. Okay, so we're learning a little bit. Face. We do right here. Cancel. What am I looking at? That's a fucking face if I've ever seen one. That's a fucking face. How to edit this? Is there a grab? Select. I'm gonna try Blender. Just press G. That didn't do anything. Inspect. Select. Wait a second. Design. Render. Yeah, design. Where's the extrude button? I thought that was. Wait. Utility undefined. What is this? Get rid of that. Don't save. Oh. Okay. We are learning, boys. We are learning. Okay, we are learning. One thing at a time. Oh, fuck. Where's the extrude? E. Insert, inspect, symmetry, modify. No. Where's the extrude? Okay, how the fuck do we extrude? Jacob Jones, we did it from design, render, drawings, manufacturing, electrical render, design. What? Oh, how do I do this? Okay, we're gonna figure this out, boys. We're gonna figure this out. Pan. Oh, look at that. Oh. Okay, and then where's the select button? Okay. Fuck it. We're gonna go to. Well, no, we could do this. We could do this. Come on, we got this. Oh my god. We could do this, right? We can do this, huh? Create. Box, plane. What? Well, okay, so you say box, but then there's there's aids on the box, and it's like all mushy looking. It's like a pillow. I don't like that. I just want to cancel. And did I delete? Okay, we're gonna do this. Where'd it go? Oh, okay, okay. How do I edit the thing now to where it's not looking like a fucking mushy ass looking thing? Enter. I just want a box. Come on. Blender literally gives you a box when you start out. Oh, wait. Maybe there's some right here. Maybe. I don't. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's try this. Oh, there you go. Okay, let's try this one more time. Why does it have to be mushy? Why don't? Why Why? I just want a box. You know, because like this is gonna be impossible to 3D print like this. How do I get it to be boxy? Okay, I have a face. Edge. Okay, well, welcome to Fusion Falcon 360. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Plane. That was something. No, we don't want that though. Okay, let's go like this. Fuck. I need some music to calm my soul, but it is horrendous editing that later. Fuck me, what did I just do? Please, for the love of God. Electronic simulation default. Can someone please tell me what the fuck I'm looking at? And how I got to it? Okay. Well, why would it do that? Why would it? Okay, okay. We're gonna go like this. Box. We just want a fucking box, brother. We don't want it to be mushy. This should be so easy. You done with learning Python? Absolutely not. No, we are most certainly going to be learning Python. To be 100,000,000% with you, my big man. I got way too distracted. It was on making this guy. Stay focused, Toady. And there's stickers and whatnot. But, you know, I just got way too distracted. And instead of locking in and just learning Python, no matter how difficult it was, I was like, I'll just do it later. Later never arises. There's only now. So right now we have a CNC machine coming soon in the mail, and we are trying to make. We have to learn CAD because it's able to spit out. Fusion 360 is able to spit out a step file. Step file is what the CNC machine is going to take. So yeah, that's our goal right now at the moment. But most certainly, don't you worry, we are not done with learning Python. Most certainly not. Okay. Okay, this is good. Now we just need to find the extrude bit. How do we extrude? I hope that makes sense. And I appreciate you being here, my man. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. Okay, fuck it. We're going to YouTube. God damn it. Let's go here, here, like this. We're going like this. How to edit objects in Fusion 360. Fuck it, that works. Okay. I hope this isn't deafening, but this is our goal. Okay.
Sketches and profiles,
Fuck,
and
that was
also
loud.
to find them in the timeline in your model.
Okay.
So let's get started. So let's start with something simple. Let's pick on this face. Right click, edit profile sketch.
Okay, so he's in this. He has a thing. Mesh. He has all these though. I don't have these. Why? He's in select. Okay, let's try this real quick. Where's Fusion? Where'd it go? He's in select. I still don't have. Yeah, none of these are. Well, bevel. Okay, we're getting closer. We're getting closer, boys. We're getting closer. Okay. Modify. We want extrude. Are you done with robot arm? Absolutely not. We are currently learning Fusion 360 because we have a CNC machine on its way here right now. We were just incredibly slow. I got really impatient with Python, which was a dumb decision. But we are most certainly not done with robot arm. That we are just actively learning how to make it, I suppose. But yes, we are most certainly not done with it, though. Don't you worry, big man. And thank you for stopping by. I appreciate that. Okay, this guy, how does he have this up?
It opens up his...
Make a toy? Dude, I'm trying to make a pawn, but I don't even know how to find the most basic of extrude. Like, select this shit. We're in Fusion 360, so we have no idea what we're doing.
Simple. Let's pick on this phase. Right-click, edit profile sketch. It opens up the sketch in editing mode. It
editing mode. Hey, wait, where do you see this?
It opens up a sketch in editing mode.
If you could, he was going like this with his cursor. Where?
Edit profile sketch. It opens up a sketch in editing mode.
Editing mode. That's where looks like Blender. To be honest, it's kind of Blender, but Blender, it's lacking the ability to export in a step file and to create tool paths for the CNC machine. Fusion 360 can do that, apparently. Yeah, but it is basically Blender, though. I wish it was Blender. I wish Blender could do that because I know how to do Blender. Let's see. Did you pirate it? No, it's free, I think. Yeah, it's 100% free. If it wasn't... Let's be honest with ourselves, though. Let's be honest with ourselves. If it wasn't free, though. Let's be honest with ourselves. You know what I'm saying? 100%. Okay, we're gonna do okay. I want a 3-second fast easy startup guide. I need a 3-second video that just gives me the basics of the basics. Try learning IDA Pro. Copy that. What is it for? See, if I ever have a use for that, I most certainly will. But at the current moment, you see this? This is what I need. Tool paths. You see that? That's what I'm trying to do. Do you just do shit on a whim to procrastinate? Absolutely. Well, yeah, sometimes, unfortunately. Very unfortunately. But we are slowly locking the fucking, slowly but surely, locking the fucking. Come on, where the fuck? I just need a basic CNC basics. There we go. I need a 3-minute video. That's it. Anything longer is like more than I need. Fuck it. It works. Okay, let's go like this.
Welcome to day number 1 of Learn Fusion 360 in 30 days.
Okay,
I'm Kevin
there we
Kennedy, and today we'll look at how to create...
Let's see. W, dude. That's sick. I like that. I love that. Got a C2 server. That's what I'm talking about. Wait, is this part of the robot? In that case, my bad. Oh, dude, you're all fine. You're 100% fine. Like, I went from programming every single day to like, you know, I think about it like this. Really quickly, we're gonna do a quick sidetrack. Okay, we're gonna get back to it. Don't worry, but we're gonna do it 4 seconds. Okay. We have a CNC machine coming. Okay, that's capable of making metal parts. It's an end mill, bzzz, and it cuts out of aluminum or steel, whatever the fuck you want, except for obviously titanium and shit. Our goal is to make is to be able to make metal parts, because robots are unfortunately they require a lot of strength. And a lot of other projects require a lot of strength. So CNC machine is something we need to learn. I don't know how to put the proper file into the CNC machine, right? Because a 3D printer, this thing, right? That thing just requires a step file, put into a freaking slicer G code. You're good. I don't know what the CNC machine. It's called a step file, but only Blender. Blender can't do that. Fusion 360 can. So that's a goal. We're still on robot arm. It's just difficult because we have to learn every single process in order to get there. We have to learn everything. But yeah. I appreciate you, boys. Good questions. Amazing questions, as always. And, dude, there's going to be so many motivational talks. Hey, if you are here, by the way, and you just clicked on here thinking, oh, we're learning fucking CAD instead of doom scrolling. If you've been doom scrolling, I feel you, bro. I fucking feel you. Like, I don't have a phone, but sometimes, like, I only have my microwave supercomputer right here. But sometimes I'm scrolling on that, and the feeling you get is you don't want to do anything afterwards. So the fact that you got here, let me just, like, quickly, just little... Oh, your chicken nugget, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. I remember I know exactly who you are now. Okay. If you're here, I just need a quick little... Scrolling makes you feel like shit. Makes you not want to lock the fuck in and, grow a YouTube channel. Makes you not want to learn a new project, new skill. Since you're here, I'm going to remind you. Being here isn't going to help you get that project done. The only thing that's going to help you get that project done is you starting it right now. Right now. Okay? So if you're new, I'm sure 90% of you have been subscribed for an eternity. But if you are new, consider hitting that subscribe button and go lock the fuck in right now. Stop watching the stream and go lock the fuck in, okay? On that project, I don't care if it's night. I don't care if it's your lunch break. Go lock the fuck in. It's doom scrolling. It is killing us slowly but surely. So, yeah, go lock in. I appreciate and love you, boys. Thank you for allowing me to rant once again. And let's lock the fuck in now. Actually, I'm going to read chat. I'm going to get distracted and read fucking chat. All right. You can get Claude and maybe search for a plugin, and that makes it for probably, but we just got to learn it the hard way. Let's see. That makes sense. I just made a hasty assumption. 100% okay. That you started programming for the robot arm, then started procrastinating with the CAD. I mean, kind of at the exact same time. There's just, you know. You got monetized yet? No, because I fucking decided to procrastinate by making this the Stay Focused hoodies and shit like that, and shirts and stickers and whatnot. I decided to procrastinate the fuck out of programming, and so yeah, I didn't grow the channel at all in the past month at all. But yeah, we're here now. We got hoodies. If you want to support me in our eventual building of the working Death Star, it's available only if you want. First link in the description. That's all I'm going to say about that. No more ads. But yeah, I'm going to lock in, rank up in Deadlock. W, brother. W. Okay. Where is the gasoline thing? It's in the closet. It is in the closet. It was too far away. We must lock in. Okay. Lock in time.
A 2D sketch. The extrude feature, how to make an object hollow, and the rectangular pattern feature.
Okay.
To start, select the show data panel icon in the upper left corner. You'll access your designs and manage projects in the data panel in the upper left corner. You'll access your designs and manage projects in the data panel. I encourage you to start with good habits by creating a new project.
Okay.
Name this Learn Fusion 360 in 30 days. Double click on a project to open it. Notice we can also create folders to organize our project files. For example, I'll make a new folder titled day number 1-toy block. For your convenience, I record all tutorials with Fusion 360's default settings. You can make sure your settings are set to the defaults by selecting your profile and preferences.
Yeah, why does his look like this, though? You see how his looks like this? You can't really see my cursor. It's over here. His looks like that. Mine doesn't. Why? Why is this?
Then select the Restore Defaults button in the lower left of the dialog. If Restore Defaults is grayed out, then you're all set. The last thing we'll want to do is set our default units. I'll be using millimeters for each tutorial in the series unless stated otherwise.
We're American. We use inches and football fields as a unit of measurement, okay? We don't use no millimeter. The fuck's a kilometer, brother? Okay? Come on.
On the left side, you will find default units for the different workspaces. We'll select Design and make sure this is set to millimeters.
No.
Note that this sets the default unit for every new design file. However, you can change units of individual files at any time. Be sure to select Apply to save the changes before closing the dialog. The units of an individual file are found in the Fusion 360 browser. Toggle open the
Where do you see this? Browser. I see that. Okay, browser. That's good. Oh, where'd it go? We are learning, boys. We are learning. We will have a we are going to be 3D printing a chess piece by the end of this video.
Document settings folder
Come on.
and select change active units. Select your desired units and notice you can also set the chosen units as the default. This will override the preference that we previously looked at. I'll leave this set to millimeters and we'll close the dialog. Let's get started 3D modeling our toy block. You'll want to create a new component each time you start a new part. This will help keep all of our 2D sketches and 3D bodies organized. I'll discuss more details on components throughout the course. For now, it'll simply help keep our files organized and easier to manage. Find the Assemble dropdown and select New Component. Our type will always
No. What? How did he do this? Let's go like this. Fucking what?
always be Assemble dropdown.
Assemble.
And select New Component.
Why can't we do this? Okay, we're gonna go back to Fusion. We're gonna go to Assemble. Okay, save. How about that? Cancel. Okay, delete. Assemble. Sure. Save. Oh. This is assembly. His is different.
Our type will always be standard unless we're working with sheet metal. We'll cover sheet metal components in another lesson, as well as some of the other options. Type out the desired part name, such as 2x8 block.
Dear God, what
Once
am
complete,
I
select
watching?
OK. Notice our component is now listed in the Fusion 360 browser. For most Fusion 360 workflows, you'll start by creating a two-dimensional sketch that is turned into a three-dimensional body. We'll start new 2D sketches with the Create Sketch feature located in the toolbar or the Create menu.
Create menu. Create. Okay, we got that. Create. Okay.
Notice we're then prompted to select one of the three origin planes.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna. I don't even know what that fuck that was. He's doing right there. We're gonna go. It's a 3-year-old version. Intellect. You have an intellect in chat. This is very true. Okay, and then let's do this now. Actually, let's do a circle. Inches. 4 inches. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Modify. We need create, modify. And now if we can just extrude this, we're chilling. Make it offset. It's not in there. Okay, where the fuck is it? Okay, let's just go back to the video. Okay.
These origin planes correspond to our X, Y, and Z axes. I recommend selecting the plane based on how the object is sitting. We're going to draw the length and width of the block, so we'll select the bottom XY origin plane. Watch closely as I select the plane. First, you'll see that our view is automatically reoriented to look directly at the sketch. This is because it's generally a best practice to sketch in an orthographic or straight-on view. You'll also see that we now have a sketch tab in the toolbar. The sketch
Okay, yeah.
tools are contextual and will only appear while in an active sketch environment. We can now select the 2-point rectangle tool. Once active, we'll start by selecting the origin point. Always start at the origin, as this will help us fully define our sketch with constraints and dimensions. We'll be discussing this best practice in more detail throughout the course. Notice the 2-dimension inputs appear as they drag.
Why am I using Wix for my website? Because it was quick, easy, and the back end is safe. Let's be 100% honest. I'm not the best programmer. I do not trust my own personal abilities to secure other people's like financial information. Wix is a multi-billion-dollar company in which they will be sued to shit if they fail to do so. I can trust them. I would not personally trust myself to program a backend. You know what I'm saying? No backend. I'm not doing that. You know what I mean? I'm not a backend developer. So Wix did that for me. They did all the backend. And plus, it made the website design a lot easier. Website, yes. First link in the description. You can get to the Stay Focused store. Buy yourself a little sticker if you'd like, or maybe a hoodie. It's a really simple hoodie. Maybe a shirt. Maybe Orange Cat's profile picture. That's still being shipped. It's taking forever, but yeah. Robots.txt. However, there was nothing interesting over there. Let's see. You can turn off robots.txt. Let's see. Where are we looking? However, there was nothing interesting over there. You can turn off robots.txt. I am losing. I'm lost in context. You can turn, off. I'm assuming it was off. Yeah, turning off robots.txt. What? I'm lost. That's okay though. All right, we're gonna lock in.
My mouse cursor. We can select the tab key on our keyboard to switch between inputs. To simplify things, I'll provide you with dimensions for each project. We'll type out 15.8 millimeters for the width of the block. Hit the tab key, which will lock the dimension in place, and then type out 31.8 millimeters for the length. We can click with the mouse to place the rectangle in the desired direction. With this particular design, the direction does not matter. If we toggle open our component in the browser, you'll find it has a sketches folder. Notice this includes the sketch we just created. We're now ready to turn this 2D sketch into a 3D body. To make it three-dimensional, we'll use the extrude command, which is one of the most utilized commands in
Where? This is what we've been looking for the whole time. Where?
The design workspace. You can activate extrude from the toolbar.
Solid. Okay, I'm gonna let him finish talking. This is what we want, is to be able to extrude.
You have the solid tab,
and then it's just right there. Okay. So he is in the first thing, right? Here's the first thing. He has an object selected, right? Boom, right here. We're going to go in sketch. Okay, we are select. This is at he is solid. Okay, no, we're gonna go to sketch. Modify. Oh fuck! How do we do this? Okay. If warrant. Yeah. Yeah. If worn, testosterone will increase by 9,000%. About 70% more material of wiping your ass with compared to their t-shirts. If worn, side effects increased chances of pulling baddies effortlessly. But then if you scroll down, there's little asterisks of the increased testosterone only if directly taken after TRT. That's important information. So it's not unfactual. It is very lab tested. Okay. We have create, okay. Mine, ellipse, modify, trim, filament, sketch. Okay, we're in here. From. How did he do that? You see how we're trying to extrude this face upwards, right? That is our goal. Why am I still selecting this? What happened? Okay, that's our goal. Is we're trying to extrude this face upwards. How do we do this? Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Okay, boys, we're gonna lock the fuck in. Let's get this.
Or by hitting the keyboard shortcut letter E as in echo.
He lied to me. He lied to me. Dude, what is up, my boy? Hey, long time no see. Long time no see. I feel like I remember you. There was someone else that had a similar profile, but I feel like I remember you, my boy. I hope you're doing absolutely fucking swell. I really hope you're doing swell. Right now, we are learning CAD because CAD You can make step files, 3D step files for a CNC machine that's on its way right now. So we're learning how to do CNC right now before that happens, before it arrives. Don't worry, we're still on Robot Arm. If you're curious, we're still learning to program. We just sidetracked, tangent, whatever you want to call it. I were offline for 2 months. You were offline for 2 months, dude. I was offline for 2 months. Like, I was offline for 2 months, basically. Exactly 2 months. Okay. Dude, I appreciate you. I appreciate you being here, my boy. I do. I appreciate you being here. Okay, how does this guy do this? Okay, so he is in Sketch. What is he? Okay, solid. Maybe I'm doing something. Yeah. No, I was gone for 2 months, dude. I was gone for 2 entire months, like exactly. It was awful. It was not ideal. Not ideal thing. Yeah. Okay. Come on. We just want to extrude this face upwards. It shouldn't be that hard. E? Where are we now? Okay, sketch. Create. Why is this so difficult? Okay, we just want to create a quick chess piece to where we can send it over to our 3D printer to ensure that it works, and then everything's good. But we can't extrude this piece.
Go. After activating the extrude command, you'll be prompted to select any dimensional. We'll use the extrude command.
Okay, fuck it. We're not doing a circle. Let's do a perfect square. 2.4. Let's do 2.5 by 2.5. Okay, bam. Sketch. Okay, let's do E. It's not working. E. Control E. Shift E. Alt E. None of these. From. Create. Modify. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, dude, what the fuck is this? Okay, that's our only goal, is to be able to extrude this thing, and then once we can extrude it, everything else will fall into place. I think he has that selected. Oh, we were like... Okay, so what just happened? We were trying to get this thing right here. These tools right here. What was happening is, like, look, if we go here to create, right? Let's do this. We'll select the plane. Let's do same plane. Well, bam. Okay, we're gonna do this. Like bam, bam, right? Like this, bam. Okay. Everything's good. Look, finish sketch. That's how we do. That's why because right now we can modify this. Let's see, modify. Let's do bam. Dude. That's so cool. This makes sense now. This totally makes sense. Okay. We're gonna do finish sketch. Okay. So now what we can actually, no, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a circle now because we know how to do it. Okay, we're gonna do finish sketch. Okay, we're gonna select these both, delete them both. Oh, what the fuck just happened? We're gonna delete them both because we don't need them. Okay, we're going to do bam. Create. Surface. Solid. Oh, look at this. We got all these now. Okay. Design. Create a sketch. Yes. Now, how do I select this? A sketch. Or how do I add? Fuck. Now, how do I get back to there? Okay. Okay. How do we get here? So we got sketch. Solid surface. Blah 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 blah. We're gonna do this. Okay. We are gonna do about 2 inches. That works. Bam. Finish sketch right there. Look at that. Okay, and now here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do, bam. We're gonna do extrude, or E, he said. Well, I have no idea what's happening now. Okay. Let's try this one more time. Let's try that one more time. Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, this kind of makes sense now. The finish sketch, yes. Extrude. Is it like blenders where we can just keep going up? It's not. Dude, they need to add that. Okay, how tall is this? Let's do, because we don't have too much time, so we can't 3D print something for too long. Let's do 3.5. Yeah, let's do 3.5. Enter. Okay. We are cooking, boys. We are fucking cooking. Look at this. You can already tell. It already looks like a freaking chess piece pawn, doesn't it? Doesn't it? It already looks like it, huh? Just a fucking cylinder. Okay. Split. Yes. Dude, that took fucking forever. Split body. Split body, select. Okay, what am I doing? I want to like circle cut. I would assume was what that would be. Generate form. Press pull. Ah, yes. Jacob did. Yeah, Jacob did something. Let's modify. Yeah. Okay. I like how they add this little bit right here. This little like to show you what it does. That's really useful. Let's do split body. Oh, here we go. We're getting on something. Okay, so now our goal is to make a pond. So we need a round surface at the top. Maybe like a little thing, and then just for it to smooth out towards the bottom. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay. We're a little zoomed in right there. Let's zoom out. Okay, what am I looking at? How does this looks, there's no shadows, so it's like fucking with my brain. Well, I don't know what that did, but that's okay. Okay, actually, no, let's do this. Okay, we need to do this, but the exact opposite. So instead of it being like this, like, you know, rounding it out like this, we need to cut into it like that, like, because we want the pond to go like this, right? We want the pond to go like that. Okay. What if we were to just do negative? No, that didn't work. There's probably something designed specifically for this. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, that's really cool. This is good to know. Okay, this is good to know. This is all good to know. Cancel. Okay. Modify. It's probably right here. Chamfer. Yeah, we want to chamfer inwards. Chamfer. Let's select the different types of chamfer. Oh, we're so close. Dude, yeah, that's how the fucking internet works these days, dude. Oh, fucking peak. Okay, let's see. We were so close, boys. We were so close. Okay. We need a chamfer it, right? Fillet. Shell. Not quite. Oh, really? Hey, now it does. That's all that's important. That's all that's important, my guy. That's all that's important. Oh, okay. What if okay, how do we do this? You know what? Maybe oh, that's silly. Let's just continue watching it. He'll probably explain it.
Utilize commands in the design workspace.
Okay, actually, I'm gonna go back a little bit. I'm gonna grab
If you toggle open our component in the browser, you'll find it has a sketches folder. Notice this includes the sketch we just created. We're now ready to turn this 2D sketch into a 3D body. To make it three-dimensional, we'll use the extrude command, which is one of the most utilized commands in the design workspace. You can activate extrude from the toolbar, create menu of the solid tab, or by hitting the keyboard shortcut letter E as in echo. After activating the extrude command, you'll be prompted to select any closed sketch profiles that you would.
As you boys can clearly tell, I'm on a seafood diet. If I see food, I'm gonna fucking eat it. Alright? You can't tell me that doesn't look absolutely rotund, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Huh? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get to it, boys. Let's get to it. I wish you boys could taste this with me. I love them. I love you boys. You guys are great. You guys are literally the best. I hope you know that. You guys are literally the best. All right. Lock in. We are trying to extrude or to bevel this cylinder. So let's do that. Let's learn how to do that real quick. I'm gonna zoom this in a little bit. Like this a little bit. Like this. There we go. All right, and then do like. Oh, wrong one. Okay.
Would like to add or remove thickness. Fusion 360 will automatically select the sketch if we only have one. We'll define the height as 9.6 millimeters. Notice this can be done in the canvas or the extrude dialog.
Okay, how did he do that? That's important information.
Files that you would like to add or remove thickness. Fusion 360 will automatically select the sketch if we only have one. We'll define the height as 9.6 millimeters. Notice
it's the thing that pops up right here, not this one, but when you select the object, never mind. I don't know what he's talking about.
this can be done in the canvas or the extrude dialog. I'll go ahead and hit the home icon in the upper right hand corner, located just to the left of the view cube. Selecting home will give us a 3D view of our model, showing us the 9.6 millimeter thickness. Let's select OK to confirm the extrude. Notice our 3D body is now listed in our component. Everything is nicely organized, and we can toggle the visibility of any of these at any time.
Okay.
You'll also find our actions are being recorded in the parametric timeline at the bottom of your screen. This allows us to go back and edit or delete features at any time. At this point, we must save our work. Fusion 360 is cloud-based, which simply means your files are stored on Autodesk servers instead of your local computer.
What the fuck is this? I'm sorry, I didn't know I was fucking willingly logging into the Matrix right now. Cloud-based? Fusion 360 is cloud-based? Jesus Christ, dude. Autodesk or AnyDesk, whatever the hell it is, has lost the fucking plot.
We'll still want to select the save icon in the applications bar.
Okay, save. Well, we'll figure that out later.
You can then define both the file name and the location of the file, or where it lives in the data panel.
That's good to know. Okay.
Selecting the caret icon will allow you to navigate through your projects and folders. Select Save and watch what happens to the Design tab. You'll see the name of the file and the version number will appear in the Design tab.
Okay.
We'll talk about versioning in another lesson. Let's go ahead and finish off the toy block with the circles on top. We'll start by drawing a 2D circle on the top. Once again, we'll use Create Sketch to start a new 2D sketch. This time...
Why? Why would he do this?
Once again, we'll use Create Sketch to start a new 2D sketch. This time, we'll select the top planar face of the block. Select a center diameter circle or use the keyboard shortcut letter C as in Charlie. You'll select once to place the center of the circle, not worrying about where you select. We can then define the diameter as 5 millimeters and select again to place the circle. Notice each sketch command remains active until you press the escape key. At this point, our circle can still move freely if we select and drag it. We'll use sketch dimensions to limit its degrees.
Big man Bolt, why did you just delete everything?
The freedom. Select the dimension tool in the toolbar. We'll select the center of the circle and then the top edge of the rectangle. Notice as I drag out with my mouse, we see a dimension. Select again to place the dimension and then define its value as 3.9 millimeters.
Okay.
Let's repeat the previous steps in the other direction, also entering 3.9 millimeters for the distance.
Mm-hmm.
At this point, we could manually draw all of the other circles, but it would be much more...
Okay. I don't think he's useful anymore. We need to do this. It was my inner divine. As always, Sir Bolt. As always. Chamfer. Okay, well, no, not chamfer, but let's do... Yeah, it's this, right? But then we need to do it in the opposite. We need to... We're gonna get this figured out right now. How do I... What's happening? Okay, we're gonna... It's right around the corner, boys. Come on! I'm used to Blender's thing. Blender's, like, control methods. Dear God. Okay. If I don't sleep, it will be... My big man, you must go to sleep now. Okay. You must. It is not an option anymore. Okay. You must. Okay. Why can't I select this, but I can only select the circle? Why? Why is this? See, on Blender, I would have already had this done, right? Like, I already know how to do it. Sir Bolt, I'm looking forward to seeing you sometime soon. Thank you for being in the Discord as well. You've been amazing. Cheers to you, big guy. I appreciate you. I do a lot. I hope you have a divine rest of your night. Okay? Sleep well. Sleep hearty. Once you wake up, lock the fuck in. All right? Goodbye, my man. Goodbye. All right. It is time to lock the fuck in. Oh. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay. Let's go with this. Yeah. Dude, what's up, my boy? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing absolutely swell. Come on. All we want to do is be able to edit this. But we can't even select it. Window, fret. Select. Huh? I see him. Is it? Is my mic low, bro? Let me know. Sometimes my mic is way too loud. Sometimes it's way too low. Please inform me if it's either or, okay? Because I have no idea. Yeah. Okay, our only goal is to make a fucking pawn. Come on. Modify. Come on. You know what we need to do, actually? I'm going to delete this. We're going to go to create. No. We need to go to mesh, create, solid. Okay. Okay, here's what we do. Here's what we need to do right now. Okay, so we mesh. We need to add a cylinder, and then we can add solids. Cylinder. I just saw something that looks sexy. Where was it? Riveting sketch profile. Sketch. Probably this is like almost exactly what we want, but I don't know how to use it, so we must do this. Okay, let's go like that. And let's go like this. 3 inches. Bam. Okay, let's see. Diameter, height. I pray to God that I'm allowed to. Oh, there we go. Thank God. Okay. Okay, now what we need to do is I don't know. How does one do this? Let's do modify. Surface? Chamfer trim? Yeah? No? Cancel. Okay. Oh, well, that's not moving. Okay. Dude, I thought this would be easy. Okay, let's just watch the fucking rest of the video. Maybe he's onto something. I don't know.
To use the rectangular pattern feature. It's important to note that Fusion 360 has both a sketch rectangular pattern feature and a solid modeling rectangular pattern feature. I recommend avoiding the sketch one at all costs. Keeping our sketches simple will make it much easier to have a fully parametric model.
Fully parametric. Define parametric. Okay, let's go. Parametric definition. Dear God, just give me. I hate that I have to use AI for such a simple request. Okay, the term parametric generally refers to anything defined by or related to a parameter, a set of variables or constraints that establishes the rules, limits, or behaviors of a system. Okay, so if it's not parametric, it was like okay, that yeah, okay. I feel like I know what it's referring to. I probably don't, but
we'll instead activate the extrude command with the shortcut letter E. I'll select a circle and define the distance as 1.7 millimeters. Before clicking OK, notice the operation is set to join. This means this new extrude will join the existing 3D body. We can now use the solid modeling rectangular pattern feature located in the toolbar or create dropdown. The pattern type will determine what we can choose to pattern. It defaulted to faces, but we'll want to change this to features. Features will allow us to select the extrude feature in the parametric timeline. You'll notice the cylinder turns blue when it's selected. Switch to the direction selector, where we'll select 2 edges to define the directions for the pattern. Select both edges of the block. Notice we have 2 directional arrows on the model. Drag each one to get the pattern started. Dragging them first helps ensure we're heading in the right direction before defining the numbers in the dialog. For the length, I'll type 24 millimeters for the distance with a quantity of 4. The second direction will be a quantity of 2 with a distance of 8 millimeters. Note that you may need to add or remove the minus symbol to keep the pattern in the right direction. If the preview looks correct, then we're all set and can click OK. If yours is off, double check the distance type is set to extent. We'll discuss that more in additional lessons. We're just about done with our toy block. If you use the view cube to look at the bottom, you'll see that we still have a solid block. We can use the shell command to hollow out solid 3D bodies.
okay. How do I say this? I want a fucking simple ass chess piece. That's it. This is it. In Blender, I would have had this done a year ago, a year and 6 months ago. But modify. Come on. Okay, let's do. Fuck it. We gotta start somewhere. What does 1 do? Oh, no. Okay, let's do. Come on. I need the opposite of that. I need it to go inwards, not out. Fuck. What if we're to just... Not quite. Yeah, it's not quite what we want. We want it... You know what? Fuck it. This actually works. How do I... Okay, we're gonna go like this. How do I... Extrude. Tell me that when it's red, it's okay. Yes, okay. E. Okay, we're about to make this fucking pawn come to life. Okay, we're gonna do... E. Let's come down a little bit more. Or that's an inch. Yeah, so that works. Okay. Enter. Let's go like this. E again. Okay, we're gonna go a little bit higher. Okay. Oh, well. Okay, we're gonna like this. Guys, we're gonna make this fucking pawn and we're gonna be 3D printing in a minute. Okay, yeah, you know, it works. Okay. Enter. E. And then we're gonna go like... We're going like this. Enter. E. E. Come on. There we go. Okay. Enter. What's up, my boy? I hope you're doing absolutely fucking swell this fine evening. Okay, we're gonna do... This is like the most diabolic way of doing this, but if it fucking works, it fucking works. This hurts my soul. This hurts my soul in more ways than one. Okay, bam. Enter. E. Bam. Enter. Well, yeah. E. Come on. You know, we're gonna have like an oval head. You know what I mean? We're gonna have an oval-y head. Well, yeah, let's go like this. God, this is like the most... Why are you learning this, dog? The reason why. We have a CNC machine on the way. It cuts metal parts. Metal parts and the CNC machine requires step files. Fusion 360 can export step files. Blender cannot, unfortunately. So we just have to quickly learn a little bit of Blender or Fusion 360 so that the CNC machine that creates metal parts is able to understand what it is we're doing, because Blender isn't capable of doing that. So this is I'd say fairly quick side tangent, if that makes sense. But yeah, I hope that answers the question at least a little bit. Maybe it's a little bit, you know? But yeah, that's why. You feel me, dog? Don't worry, we are going to get back to the learning of Python very soon. And robot is most certainly going to be taking place still. Don't you even worry a little bit, my friend. Not even a little bit. Don't worry. Okay, we're going to go like this. E. Bam. Bam. Enter. Bam. E. Bam. There we go. This is like the... Okay, this is the least efficient way of doing this. E. That's a pawn. You can't tell me it's not, dog. That is a fucking pawn. That is a motherfucking pawn, isn't it? Can you make a skibbity toilet with it? And so much more. And so much more. Wow. I don't know how in the fuck I just did that, but... There we go. Yeah. Of course we can make a skibbity toilet with it. Of course. There's nothing we can't make with it, in fact. Okay, this seems off. Maybe, okay, what is it? How does a pawn look? As a cool base, that's what it is. Okay, we're gonna do E. E. Like this. Enter. We're gonna do E. We're gonna like this. Yeah, this is a lot better. Okay, enter. E. Well, there we go. Yep. I feel like that works. It's fine. We don't want it to go in quite yet. Okay, why is this axis so off? Okay, we're gonna go like this. Enter. E. Jesus, I'm like, this is like the least efficient way of doing this, but by God, is it working? By God. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a fucking pawn if I've ever seen one. That's a fucking pawn if I've ever seen one. Should we send it to the 3D printer now? I think that's what we're going to do. Let's figure out how to export. Okay, no, he taught us. Okay, so we're going to go over to here. Press save. It's going to not do anything. Come on, save. We want to send this shit to the 3D printer now. How do we do this? Okay. I'm going to warm up the 3D printer. One sec. Go like here. Oh, you can't really see it right now from where you're at, but we are to warm up the 3D printer. Oh, it is warmed up. Okay. Let's turn that light. Okay. All right, let's get to printing, boys. Let's get to printing. Let's print this hoe, yeah? Okay, let's go to save. File. Save as. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Pawn. Fusion F360 pawn. F360 pawn. There we go. Oh, P. That's what I was trying to do right there. Okay. Part number, file location. How do I? Okay. Now the question is, do I do .stl? Maybe. How do we save this? Part name. New project. Okay, let's go to the video. He showed us that earlier.
Shell lives in the modify menu or the toolbar. We talked about versioning in another lesson. Let's go ahead and finish off the toy block with the circles on top.
Oh, here it is.
Point, we must save our work. Fusion 360 is cloud-based, which simply means your files are stored on Autodesk servers instead of your local computer. We'll still want to select the save icon in the applications bar. You can then define both the file name and the location of the file, or where it lives in the data panel.
But not the type of file. That's the most important.
The caret icon will allow you to navigate through your projects and folders. Select save and watch what happens to the design tab.
Okay, let's just try that real quick. We're just gonna try. Oh well. Yeah, let's just do this. Pawn. Yeah, I think that fucking works, right? Save. Yeah. Chip Jones. Let's exit this place. Yeah. Home. We are onto something. Open details. We want to download this now. How? How do we download this? Open on web. Details. Show location. State working. Part number. Okay, come on. Remove from recent. Share, make. Okay. All we want to do is download this. This is all. Details. Description, item number, where you. This is useless information. Open on the web. No. Show location. Upload. Make available offline. How do I download something from Fusion 360? Okay. How to download something from Fusion 360. We want the latest versions. They probably changed it. 2026. 2026. Okay. How to export from Fusion to quicker. 2 minutes. This is what we're wanting. All right. Slice of pizza real quick.
In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your design out of Fusion and save it to your computer in the right format for 3D printing, sharing with a manufacturer, or creating a 2D file. First, have your design open in Fusion 360. Make sure the correct document is active and that you're looking at the part or assembly you want to
How to do that bit?
With a manufacturer or creating a 2D file. First, have your design open in Fusion 360.
Okay. Open. Now what?
Make sure the correct document is active and that you're looking at the part or assembly you want to send out. It's a good idea to save your design before exporting so the latest changes are captured. Quick visual checks help here too. Confirm the bodies or components you want included are visible. Next, go.
How you boys doing? Huh? How you boys doing? Dude, it's been a while. It's been a while, my boy. Not you, Sir Orange Cat. Orange Cat, you were here yesterday. You were here the day before. You've been here for the past 225 days. Do it. Brother, you thinking about buying a 3D printer? We're about to start 3D printing right now. That's what this thing up here. Well, where is it? Up here, that's a pawn. We just designed that in Fusion 360. That's what we're doing right now. That's what we're doing right now. We're trying to export this thing into Fusion 360. Dude, I'm glad you're grinding through college, bro. I'm glad you're grinding through college. I hope you're having a swell fucking time, and I hope you were cooking so hard. But do it. Trust me. Buy a 3D printer. Changes your life, dude. The amount of things you can do, it's kind of insane, actually. Dude, Orange Cat, it is so nice seeing you. Orange Cat, okay. So the sticker, as you probably know, like you go on the website, and it's just like the mock-ups, right? It's you don't like it's not one with me holding it. It hasn't like it. I've shipped 4 of them, and none of them are getting out to my house. So I need to figure out what the hell's going on with that. But soon it'll be figured out though. It is being ass. Okay. Let's lock in. We're just trying to export this onto into our slicer. And then we're going to 3D print it like right now.
Top left corner and open the file menu.
Okay.
And you then choose export. This
is file, export, type. Okay. Step file. This is what we're going to need to do for whenever we have the CNC machine, the metal CNC machine. It has tool paths, right? It's like, you know what I mean? Like, it's like G code. But for a CNC, instead of it being extruder, it's like a drill. It's a bzzz, it's like a CNC machine. So we need step. This is why we are learning Fusion 360 instead of Blenders, because Blender cannot export the type of step file we want. Right now, we're just going to do an STL because we're trying to 3D print this shit. Downloads, perfect. Export. Export complete. Let's look at it. Let's look at it, boys. Let's go right here. Let's open up my files. And let me show you guys. Show you guys all the crazy porn I've been downloading. It's insane. Porn. I'm joking. I'm joshing. Maybe. Okay, I'm sorry. Pawn. Perfect. Let's go like this. Let's open up our slicer. There's so much going on right now. We can close that. We can close this. We want this. No. This. We can close this. What is this? We can exit that with that. We can close that. Let's go like this. Lord have fucking mercy. Okay. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Okay, boys. We are at the break. Something great. Okay, let's do upload, right? File, open, project, open new, import, ST. I said step file. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now we need downloads pawn. Please tell me that it got the scaling right the first time. Please just be like this big on the build plate, please. Well, we can scale it ourselves. That's fine. That is fine. How big's that? Damn, I don't know. That's a pretty big pawn now. I'm looking at that. Like, that's a... Actually, we can scale it here on the... Scale, uniform scaling. No, let's do... Yeah, that's not going to work. Well, oh, that can be like a rook. Pawn. Yeah, that's fine. This works for now. Okay. Boys. Slice. With that. Let's do a random seam because this is... No, it's fine. Okay, how long are we looking at? Total time, 16 minutes. Let's export it now. Okay. We're going over here. Let's grab this guy. Big money. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Just go like this. Haha, what's up, my boy? Hey, I hope you're having a swell time. Long time no see. Long time no see. I hope you're having a swell time. We're about to export this pawn that we just created in Fusion 360. We just made this first project we've ever made in Fusion 360. And we're about to export it to our 3D printer in the back. Right over there. Okay, let's go like this. Where's Elgu? Let's go like this. Export. Please allow me to select a file. Okay, there you go. You can't really see it, but the you see, it's not available. My thing's... Oh, it's because it's not plugged in. One sec, boys. I only have USB. Okay. You guys are not going to be able to hear me for just a moment, all right? No. Peak. Let's do audio. Device. Rogue. That's fucking hilarious, my guy. I bet it's so goddamn wonky. Okay. I hope you boys are doing swell. I hope you boys are doing fucking swell. Okay. Let's get to 3D printing, shall we? That's what we need to do right now. Any longer is just procrastinating what must happen. Let's go like this. Let's go like this and not rip out. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Like this. So like this. This. There we go. Okay. So our goal is to basically get that thing going. Hold on. I'm gonna just turn. Well, I do this because the mic is over here by my computer. But like, okay, fuck it. I'm gonna. Yeah, we just converted it to G code. Right here. We just converted the pawn that we just made in Fusion 360. We made this thing in Fusion 360, and then we just converted that thing into G code. Now we just sent this G code to our printer, and that's what we're doing right now. And this is going to be our first ever 3D printed thing, like 3D printed in Fusion 360. Oh wait, I have wireless microphone. One sec. Second. Yeah. I found mine. Here's one of you people watching.
Where's the camera?
Right here. We're about still 3D printing.
What's up, stream? We got a pizza.
Pizza numero dos.
I don't know what happened to it. It's still frozen.
That's good right there.
She's still frozen. She's a little squished up. I'm not gonna lie to you.
All right. One moment, boys. One moment. One moment, boys. Oh, it actually might be over here. These two are mine. They're like they're just absolutely like destroyed. I think I might have put it in my hat. I did. God damn it. Jacob. Okay. Well, hold on. I'm still. Okay. Yeah. You know what? Okay. Well. Okay. I pray that this works. Last time, this did not work at all. We are hooking up a DJI mic so that. Oh, why am I recording right now? We're hooking up a DJI mic to the camera. Last time, this actually was tweaking out on crack cocaine, and it was not a good experience for me or my our editor, dude. Okay, let's see. Let's turn this on. Please be charged. Please be charged. I beg of you. Okay, it might be charged. Give us a moment, boys. Give us a moment. Okay, that's good. Step one, which is large bomba clot. We got that. Okay. Let's go to this. Give us a moment, boys. Let's go like this. You know, the different thing about making these streams into videos is removing the up to 30 minutes of Jacob doing literally nothing. Dude, exactly. That's exactly what it is. Exactly. What in that pizza is that? Oh yeah, that was, dude, there was so much in that pizza, dude. It was crazy. All right, you're not gonna be able to hear me for just a moment. We're gonna Hello. Hello. Ah, I see. Well, I think we're on the right track. Show this now. That was. It's so loud. Gains. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Hello. Hello. That's still loud. Okay, let's change this. Okay, a lot better. Boys, is there a delay between me talking and you guys hearing it? Is there a delay? If so, by like how much? Is it just a millisecond? Or yeah, let me know. We are good. Did I miss? No, you didn't miss anything. Okay, boys, let's get to 3D printing. All right. So let's go like this. Let's go like this. Oh, well, I just touched the lens. Well, let's go like this. There's no Jacob. There is a bit of delay. Wait, so between me speaking and you hearing it, there is a bit of a delay. Dude, that's okay. You know what? We are just gonna start cooking with 3D printer. Okay, let's go like this. We have grabbed the file. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Does it show up? You can't really see it, but trust is there. Hold up. This is so jank. This is like jank 3000. Okay. Okay, it's like this. It is right there. Right there. Big money. All right, let's get this going. Bam, we want it to level. Textured build plate is on. Let's get a little bit of glue. We're gonna get a little bit of glue now. I think it's roughly in the center. There we go. Okay, let's press print. There we go, boys. Our first ever Fusion 360. Our first ever Fusion 360 part is being downloaded right now, or is being printed right now. See, instead of scrolling today, we've learned the basics of Fusion 360. Jesus, it's terrifying. We learned the basics of Fusion 360. We got something printing, and we streamed. It was good. It was a good day. So all instead of fucking like doom scrolling, wasting our time. So that's good. It's great. Hey, I appreciate you boys for being here. If you are an OG and you want to support the channel, because one day we are going to take over the world, it's going to happen. Consider getting a Stay Focused hoodie. Is the first link in the description of this video. There's also some stickers there that are quite simple and very cheap and affordable. Ad is over. I'm sorry. You had to bear witness to that. Anyway, let's go like this. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go back and we're gonna zoom in a lot. We're gonna zoom in a lot, and then hopefully you'll be able to see it through printing. There you go. Okay, it should start printing any moment now. I have no idea when, but it will. Let's see. There's no delay. Wonderful. All right. I should rage bait him. You meanie. Possibly. All right. First time in 1,000 years stream. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I need one of those. Dude, trust me. You don't need one of them. It's like breathing. You don't need it. It's mandatory in order to continue your bodily functions. Whilst that is doing that, we're gonna put this over here in the corner. And yeah. Actually, I'm gonna put this right there. Okay. This is so neat though. This is so neat. Okay, we can now close this out. No. Yeah. So this is what we're gonna start 3D printing here soon. Just a basic pawn for chess. Hopefully soon we're gonna be able to export this as a step file. And instead of it being a 3D printer, it's going to be like a CNC machine. I was going to say yes, you do, but then you immediately started saying you more than need it. Yes, exactly. You more than need a 3D printer, okay? What the fuck? Oh, dude. That scared the shit out of me, dude. I was like, what the fuck is happening by my 3D printer right now? That is my autistic friend. He is currently doing illicit hand gestures by the printer. But yeah, first 3D printer. First 3D print of the Fusion. I think it was successful. Let's go like this. Right now the bed is just leveling itself. Like, yeah, it goes through like a leveling system first. Let's go like this. Okay. Well, in the meantime, I think you boys know what we're supposed to do, right? While this thing is 3D printing, we're gonna go over here. We are gonna go like this, right? We're gonna go like this, and we're gonna play a video game. We're gonna play some argar.io whilst this thing is printing. Okay. Actually, let's go like, yeah. While this thing is printing, we're gonna play some argar.io. I'm sorry, my grammar must be horrible, dude. My grammar is horrible. Your grammar is, you are Shakespeare compared to me. Okay, you are fine, my boy. agar.io. Okay, let's play some argar.io whilst this thing prints. We only have like about 15 minutes. It's only like a 15-minute thing up in the corner, so we should be good. Mine is more. Oh, where's my face? Yeah, no, the cam up here is what my face would usually be, but we are gonna play Argario while the 3D printer prints. Okay. We're off to a good start. Okay. Yeah, let's cook whilst we wait for the 3D printer to do its thing. Jesus Christ, there are some absolute losers on this game that play it way too much. Okay. How's your boys' day? How have you guys' day been though? Huh? Have you guys been good? Have you guys been locking the hell in? Have you guys been doing the stuff you're supposed to? Have you guys been like cooking? Oh god, this is one of those losers. Yeah, let me know how your boys' day is going. Let me know. right? Because like I read your guys' comments, I go back and I read like your guys' like live chat messages all the time. Are you guys like how is life with like a phone in your life? Because I fucking have gotten rid of mine completely. You know what I mean? Because it's way too damn distracting. What about you guys? You know what I mean? Like how is life with like the level of distractions? Are you guys locked in? You know what I mean? Like just yap, send a paragraph in the chat and I'll read it out. Actually, let's go like this. I'm gonna go like this. So that like you guys know that I'm like here with you guys. I was watching Avatar. Which one? Okay, we have the Blue Monkeys, or we have the Last Airbender, which is the best fucking thing in the goddamn universe. And there's a lot of different avatars. Which avatar? The good one. That's all you need to say. That's all one needs to say. The good one. Okay. Yes, I was locked in. Let's see. That's what I'm talking about, bro. I'm glad you are. All I do is watch Netflix and order pizza. Big man, I am not far from you. I just don't watch Netflix. But I literally have a pizza right fucking here. Hold on, let me show you. Let me like kill this guy real quick. Watch. Look at this shit. Oh shit. That is a big guy. Watch. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. That's an entire pizza. It's an entire pizza, dude. Yeah, dude. That's the thing, dude. You know, watching Netflix, eating pizza, it's great. But watch Netflix and eat pizza once you have absolutely cooked for the day and you are just good. You know what I mean? Like you fucking cooked and you've done everything you could. Then you watch freaking Netflix and eat pizza. Life is amazing. Life is great. You know what I mean? You're like, oh, I earned this. You know what I mean? Shit, where did it just go? Where did chat just go? Let's see. With my phone, the good one. Yeah. Let's see. I studied for 14 hours. You studied for 14 hours, my boy? Jesus Christ. See, that's what I call locked the hell in, dude. 1 second. Let me team with this guy. Hopefully. Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's get chat back up. I think he understands that we're teaming. All right. Let's see. You should look over some of the Discord projects. That's a good idea. That's actually a really good idea. Shit. Still not enough? POV, your name is Bolt, and you studied for 14 hours, and it's still not enough. That's crazy, dude. That's actually wild. Oh, the 3D printer. It's printing. Nice. Oh, that's going mock. It's going fast. Oh, let's get this guy maybe. Well. Okay, let's see. Yeah, once I die. Oh, shit. Once I die, I'm going to look over the projects in the Discord. By the way, if you're new, I'm assuming you've been here. Like, everyone that's watching has been here for 1,000 years and is just amazing. But if you are new, consider subscribing because all we do here is lock the fuck in, get distracted, and print shit on a goddamn shitty printer. You know what I mean? Like that's our goals. We're just trying to lock in. So I'd appreciate if you consider the notion of subscribing. That'd be awesome. Right now we're just playing Survive.io whilst this printer prints. Let's see. Printer is locked in. Dude, that printer is fucking locked in. It's going mock like shittery. Okay, let's go. I was here for 10,000. Fracture was here for 1 minute. Exactly, dude. I'm not even joking. Like Fracture, like hold on, let's go to here. Let's go to here. Let's go to here. Hold up. Let's make sure we don't die. Okay. Look, Fracture has been here. Oh, you can't really see it. Fracture has been here since the dawn of time. Orange Cat, dude, just as long. But yeah, no, there's been some OGs. Oh fucking G's in chat, dude. Okay. How do we get to the leader? How do we become lead? Oh, we're on the leaderboard. Sick. Oh, you got chat has disappeared. Let's find that again. Fracture lore gets dude. the computer that we are streaming on right now, Fracture fucking made in YouTube chat. He taught me how to make the goddamn fucking like this literal like this fucking computer you're watching this stream on right now. Fracture made it. Like he made it. You know what I mean? Oh fuck me. Luckily you didn't get me. But yeah, no, Fracture's lore goes deep. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. There we go. Fracture, yeah. Okay. Come on, we want to find someone we can eat. We need to eat somebody. How's the printer doing? Oh shit. What just happened? Oh, there we go. I don't even know what the fuck just happened. Oh, okay. For sure. Where is it? There we are. Let's see. It's my dream to gain even one the Fracture's power. Dude, if I could acquire 1,000th of Fracture's power, I would be a walking deity, okay? We can only hope to acquire Sir Fracture. Well, let's see. He was here earlier. Sir Fracture's power, 1,000th of it. Life would be complete. Hey, I appreciate you boys for being here. Sincerely. You know, this is not like stimulating. Like we were literally watching the slowest process on the fucking planet, a 3D printer. But you boys are still here and I appreciate you guys for that. So, thank you sincerely. Like you guys are why I get up in the morning. You guys are why like I try, you know. So I appreciate you boys sincerely. Maybe. Nah. They're not about it. They are not about it. Okay, let's see. Let's go like this. Where the fuck is there it is. Okay. Oh, right. Okay, don't worry, Jacob. We're sticking with you. Brother, I appreciate that very much. Fracture fan art before Jacob fan art? Dude. Nah. Both of them. Same time, they're gonna the Fracture files and the Jacob files are gonna be released, and it's gonna go crazy. I'm gonna stop talking right fucking now. Okay. Come on, dude. This is the slowest game of Argar.io I've ever played. Normally, I die or have become leader by now. Damn, this is a lot of like pellets though. Damn, there's a lot of pellets. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's cook. Let's cook, boys. Let's fucking cook. I appreciate you boys so much. So much. Okay. Dude, come on. This is the most unentertaining like Argar.io thing I've ever played. Normally it's like crazy, you know? It's during fuck it. Why not? Nice. There we go. We got a team. We can get these guys now. If he's not fucking with me. Come on. Come on. Get right here. Do it. There we go. No! Oh, shit! Oh, I'm fucked. He's fucked. Come on. Oh, I'm so locked in. Come on, please. No, my boy. Oh, I'm fucked. GG. GG, brother. GG. GG. Come on. Oh, come on. I need to wait from the split. Come on. Come on. Yeah, do it. You do it. You know what you need to do. You know what you're going to do. Do it. Come on. I'm going to get you. I remember seeing Jumbo clutch up in moments like this, dude. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. You know you want to. You know you want to. Do it. You got the balls. Come on. How's the 3D printer doing, guys? Oh, it's cooking. The 3D printer's cooking. Yeah, you guys don't got nothing. You guys can't do it. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Split. I dare you. I dare you. Split for a millisecond. Come on. I can't see chat right now. Come on. Come on. We're gonna fucking cook. Hey, we're third. That's good. That's good. Do it. I dare you. Woo! Woo! You think you're good? You think you're slick with it? You think you're slick with it? Yeah, now you're separated from your boy. Come on, do it, do it, do it. I dare you. I dare you. Come on, split. Split, big boy. Come on. Look at them. They're tiny. They're smaller than me now. Yeah, you boys don't got nothing. Nothing. You guys are bad. That's why. You guys are bad. Oh, we're going to go this way. Fuck, I need to read chat. What's chat doing? Let's see. Where's chat? There we are. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Quick bolt make hacks for Jacob, dude, literally. All right, let's see. Ooh, oh shit. Well, come on, when am I gonna merge together? Come on. Oh, dude, the 3D print's doing really well, actually. Oh, that is first place right there. Where's chat again? Okay, let's see. It's over. Wait, it's our only hope. Only Jacob. Export skills can help. Exactly. Did the best comeback. Come on. Oh, you are huge. This guy's huge. We need this unnamed cell guy. Maybe. Yeah, I think he's about to merge and he's gonna murk me. Yeah. See, normally I don't last this long. Normally I'm dead before then. Okay, let's see. Let's go like this. There we go. Did the best comeback, dude. Exactly. Oh, dude, look at the print. It's doing good. It's doing real good. All right. Let's see. Oh, once I die, no way. You're kidding me. You're fucking kidding me, dude. God damn, dude. That's embarrassing. That was awful. Okay. The 3D print is almost done. Oh, I pray that guy doesn't see me. Oh, God. I pray he doesn't see me. Okay. We are chilling. There we go. It's 3 a.m. I must sleep now. Bolt, go to fucking sleep. Go to sleep. Well, actually, hold up. Wait like 3 minutes. The printer is almost done. Okay, the printer is almost done. Yeah. Well, come on. Yeah, do it, buddy. Do it. Oh, holy shit! W, massive W's all around. I'm leader. I'm satisfied with my care. So we're good. We're gonna just do this. Yeah, dude. W, bro. Absolute W. That was crazy. Massive W's right there. Open. What is this? I haven't. Cool. Okay. Let's check them on this printer. Huh? Oh, it's doing good. It is almost done. Oh, what's chat saying? What's chat saying? Let's go like this. Okay. I'll watch later. Please do some Discord project now. My data is running out. Oh, dude, you're watching this shit on data, dude? That's insane. Okay. 1 sec. We're gonna. Oh, the printer's like almost done. Okay, we'll check it out real quick. Let's see. The Discord. Let's go like this. The printer just has a moment left, like probably like 3 minutes, not even that. Okay, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go to projects. Dude, there is some crazy projects in here, dude. I mean, there is some crazy projects. Look at this shit, dude. Look at this shit. Okay. Let's see. Nah, green. I love it. Let's see. Let's see some projects. Let's see. Give me a moment. File organizer in Java FX. Dude. Let's see this real quick. Dude. Damn. Someone in our fucking Discord made this, dude. This is insane. Total files, folders created. Dude, this is crazy. Amount of stuff. Bolt, is this your wallpaper? Old wallpaper? It's like Windows, but like better. Let's see. Ah, that's so cool. I love that. If we can have this, but like an alternating light that like goes around it, like to like make the shine look different, that'd be so sick. All right, let's see. See some projects. Homie made literal hacks for Roblox. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, this is like the newest. Oh, where's chat? Where's chat gone? Gone off to. All right, let's see. Oh, it is almost done, boys. Oh, let me go grab that. Oh, it wasn't in focus this whole time? Oh my god, it wasn't in focus the whole time. Okay, how much time does it have left? Like nothing. It's basically done. Yeah, it's basically done. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Huh? Huh? We'll turn down the exposure a little bit. Let's go like this. Huh? Not half bad. Not half bad. Let's go like this. Is there something metal on the camera this thing can stick to? No, there's not. Okay. Hold up, one sec, boys. Look at this. Oh, I'm now for the most satisfying part. Oh god, that's like on there. Look at that. Dude, there's like glue all over my hands now. Ugh. One sec. I need to wash off my hands a little bit. Just a little bit because it's like so sticky. Okay. That is crazy sticky. Alright. Look at that, boys. Look at that, huh? Huh? That is a pawn if I have ever seen one. That's W right there. It's a pawn, you know? 3D print, what? How many more of these? Like 8? Or I guess in one color, then another 8 in another. Absolutely massive. W's all around. Okay. What time is it? Oh dear God, it's so late. It is so late. I gotta get to work so soon. Oh God, I hate a job. Hey, if you guys also have a job that you wish you didn't have to go to, you wish you didn't have to work at, we're trying to get that number up as much as possible. All right. And today, instead of doom scrolling, we decided to use Fusion 360 and we made a pawn. We made a pawn in Fusion 360, 3D printed it, and that's what we did instead of doom scrolling. So right now, if you were in a point in life in which you feel like you're scrolling a lot, you're not spending your time doing the things you want to do, right? You're not making progress towards something. You're not doing this, that, or the other. I would encourage you to take a moment, write down your goals, right? Write down your goals like this. Install the first step. That's all. Install CAD. That's what we had to do today. That was our mission. That's why we were allowed to breathe today, is because we were trying to do this. Write down your goals, and the first thing tomorrow, when you have available moment tomorrow, go do that. Put down your phone, throw it in another room. I don't have a phone anymore for that exact reason. I couldn't, you know what I mean? It was just a bottomless pit of distractions. So lock the hell in, boys. That's what we're about here. If you want to lock in as well, consider the notion of subscribing. For you people that are in the live right now, I know you guys are already subscribed. This is for the video that it's eventually going to end up turning into. But if you want to like lock in with us, consider the notion of subscribing so that we pop up in your For You page more often to inspire you and remind you to lock in more often. I appreciate every single one of you boys for being here. Every single one of you. You guys mean the world to me. You guys are cooking and pushing me forward. Thank you so very much. Okay. Bolt. You go sleep now. You go sleep, okay? Bolt, go sleep. All right, I don't have a phone too. Dude, neither do I, because they're too damn distracting. That's a good thing. That is a very good thing. Trust me. They're bottomless pits of distractions. What's up, my boy? I hope you're doing absolutely divine. Okay, I hope you're doing absolutely divine. If you want to lock in with us, consider hitting that subscribe button. If you want to see the robot arm and the CNC machine we're going to be using soon, consider subscribing. But if you want to stay focused with us, stay focused, well, get yourself a fucking hoodie. First link in the description of this video. Go do that. There's also stickers if you want, of course. There's also Stay Focused stickers. There's also just regular ass shirts. Yeah, it's there if you want. How can I learn Python, man? I'm struggling in school. Oof. Two things. 2 things. How do you learn Python? How do you learn anything, right? I'll tell you. How do you learn anything? 1, remove the distractions from your life. And 2, have a good project for learning it. If you just want to learn something, it's difficult. But if you have a good, fun project, that's how you learn something. You have a fun project. Right now, we're trying to build a robot arm. That's why we're doing all this, right? We're trying to do a lot more than just a robot arm, but it's a project, you know? So if you want to learn Python, remove distractions from your life and find a project that's worth doing. That's how you do that. Hey, I appreciate you for being here, my boy. I really do. Jacob, do you remember to record this? No, I did not record it, but no, I did not record it. Today was I had to fucking just press record. You know what I mean? Because I've been doing the shorts and I just had to press record. But yeah, I appreciate you boys. Yeah, join the Discord also inside of the description of this video. If you want, join the Discord. Okay. Bolt, you need to go to bed right now. Go to bed. Exactly. Just do cool shit. Are you putting dot at start? Oh, you're talking to, okay. And that's the moment when he realized he fucked up. Exactly. Hey, the stream will work. The stream will be sufficient enough. Homies, I appreciate you so much. Dude, you're lying in bed. Literally, the beginning of the stream, that is the scenario. It's like, imagine this. You're lying in bed. You're sitting there. You want to lock in, but then you've been scrolling for the past 5 hours. It's like, how do you actually start? Well, write down your fucking goals. Put them on your wall like this. Where you can't forget it, right? You can't forget it. Put them on your fucking wall. I know the paper just fell down. Put them on your fucking wall. And literally, it'll be the first thing you do tomorrow. That's how you lock the fuck in. I need to go to work right now, unfortunately, because it is so late. But I appreciate you boys for being here. I appreciate you boys locking in. I appreciate you boys, like, you know. We've gotten a few orders from the fucking store. One person bought a hoodie, a few people bought some stickers, and 2 people bought shirts. Thank you, boys. Sincerely. It means the world to me. Look at this shit. Look what we're able to do. You know what I mean? This took 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes this took. W. I love you, boys. Same time tomorrow? Hopefully. Probably. Yeah, probably. I think so. Yeah. Goodbye, Jacob. I'm sending the store to all my friends who need it. Thank you, big man. I appreciate that more than words describe. Thank you, bro. Dude. I appreciate that more than words describe. Trust me. Like, seriously. Oh, and if you do get a hoodie, I'm going to send an email to everyone that buys a hoodie, but I'm going to request, I mean, it's optional, but if you decide to wear it and you want to take like a friggin' double bicep, pose inside of it, throw it up on the store, and I'm going to say, like, purchase a hoodie, and unfortunately, you're going to be an actual chick magnet with the potential of increasing your testosterone by 1,000%. You know what I mean? So it's out there. I appreciate you, boys. Thank you. I'm rambling. I need to get to work right now. I think we need to do a schizophrenic outro. As always, we need to do a schizophrenic outro as always. Let's lock the fuck in. Let's get some perro in here. No, perro is dog. It's Pedro. Perro is dog. I think. Perro. Yeah, I think it's dog. All right, boys. You know what time it is. If you've been here, You know what time it is. Oh my god, I almost dropped my fucking camera. That would have been so bad. That would have been so bad. Give me a moment, boys. Give me a moment. We're almost done. Come on, work with me, please. Oh, and by the way, we are going to be having a PC building thing very, very, very soon. Because, as most of you know, my PC is in a microwave. But I'm moving. And this is just flopping around like that right now. Well, camera has fallen, or microphone has fallen. This is just flopping around like this, right? Like, that's completely detached. That's not good. My GPU in there, it's being held up by a fucking screwdriver box. We need to secure this stuff in here. It's not secure in the state that it's in right now. But yeah, I appreciate you boys. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Let's get schizophrenic. Hey, if you need to go to bed right now, go to bed. If you need to lock in, lock in. But remember, subscribe on your way out if you want to continue to be motivated, to continue to be reminded to lock in, okay? That's what you should consider the notion of doing. I appreciate every fucking one of you. Every single one of you guys. Sincerely, thank you. Let's just get to it. Loud noise, loud noise. Give it a moment.
Passeggio tutta sola per le strade, guardando attentamente i monumenti. La classica straniera con un'aria strana che gira stanca tutta la città. A un certo punto della passeggiata mi chiama da una parte un ragazzino. Sembrava a prima vista tanto per benino. Si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me.
And where the fuck's the microphone? And remember, boys, above all else, no matter what, there's one thing you need to keep in mind. And that is to stay focused, brothers. And statistically speaking, unlikely, sisters. Stay focused. Lock the fuck in. And get to work. Remove those distractions from your life. If that's me, unsubscribe right now. And go lock the fuck in. Okay, if I'm a distraction for you to not lock in, my goal, my purpose here as a YouTuber, is to ensure that you guys lock the fuck in. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. So, if you need to lock in, go lock in. If you need to go to bed, go to bed. But I love you, boys. You have a good rest of your fucking day. And let's get to work.
Mwah.